Hey everyone, welcome back to the Road and Review. Today we're diving into an exciting new release, the 2025 Evo Torque Auto Rickshaw. Whether you're a fan of electric vehicles or just looking for a more eco-friendly way to travel, this auto rickshaw promises to redefine the way we think about commuting. The Evo Torque Auto Rickshaw is designed to bring innovation to the traditional three-wheeled vehicle. With its sleek modern design and improved features, this is more than just a regular auto rickshaw. It's a glimpse into the future of transport. The vehicle features a fully electric powertrain, which means zero emissions and a quieter, smoother ride compared to the noisy and polluting conventional autos we're used to seeing on the streets. One of the standout features of the 2025 Evo Torque Auto Rickshaw is its impressive range. Equipped with a state-of-the-art lithium-ion battery, this rickshaw offers up to 120 kilometers on a single charge, making it perfect for daily commutes. Plus, with fast charging capabilities, you can get back on the road in no time. Now, let's talk about performance. The Evo Torque has a peak power output of 10 kW, which ensures that it can handle city traffic with ease. Whether it's picking up passengers or carrying goods, this auto rickshaw is built to be reliable and efficient. The torque is instant, providing a smooth acceleration that makes the driving experience a lot more enjoyable. The interior of the Evo Torque is also designed with comfort in mind. It features a spacious cabin with ergonomically designed seating, ensuring that both the driver and passengers enjoy a comfortable ride. The dashboard is equipped with a touchscreen display that provides essential information like battery status, range, and speed, all at your fingertips. Safety is a major priority for Evo, and the 2025 model doesn't disappoint. The rickshaw is equipped with advanced safety features, including anti-lock braking systems, ABS, a sturdy frame, and well-engineered suspension, all designed to ensure stability and reduce the risk of accidents. Another notable aspect of the Evo Torque is its low maintenance costs. With fewer moving parts than traditional internal combustion engine vehicles, there's less wear and tear, meaning lower costs over time. The battery is designed to last, and the whole system is optimized for long-term durability. So whether you're a business looking to reduce operational costs or a driver aiming for a greener option, the 2025 Evo Torque Auto Rickshaw is certainly a game changer. With its powerful performance, long range, and eco-friendly design, it's clear that this vehicle is built for the future. That's it for today's review. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Evo Torque Auto Rickshaw. Do you think this could be the future of urban transportation? As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and updates. See you in the next one.